to American Dream TV. I'm Erin Evans with Century 21 Island Homes, and today we are in the heart of Waikiki at the beautiful Ritz-Carlton Residences, which is located adjacent to world-class shopping on Luxury Row. This 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is completely spectacular with no attention spared to detail. This kitchen has upgraded custom cabinets for the premier residence, as well as the signature Ritz-Carlton marble countertops. And this fantastic open concept kitchen, dining, and living area is fabulous for entertaining. Traditional hotel rooms are replaced with residential studios and suites, each with ocean view and separate living spaces. Enjoy the finely appointed residences combined with legendary services of the Ritz-Carlton. These fee-simple condos range in price from anywhere from $1 million to $20 million for the penthouse. Amenities include a full-service spa, fitness center, Waikiki's 2 highest infinity pools, and 5 extraordinary dining experiences, including sushi show, an acclaimed sushi restaurant led by a legendary master. Unique to this unit, you not only have ocean views, but you have a full view of Diamond Head as well. Next, we're gonna head to SKY Waikīkī and have a signature cocktail with the bartender and check out their raw bar. We are now here at SKY Waikīkī with in-house mixologist Maho and the general manager, Elle. Share a little bit about what we're making today.
Great, so today we'll be making a lily koi strawberry margarita, very popular on our Taco Tuesday menu.
Taco Tuesday?
Yes.
Okay.
And a little bit about the drink. It's made with all fresh ingredients. So Maho actually went to the farmer's market this morning.
We got some fresh Govinda juice, which is actually a local juice pressery.
All right, we're gonna learn a little bit today, right?
Yes, we are. So I'm gonna teach both of you how to make the drink. First, we're going to take our tins and we're gonna muddle the strawberries. Now we're gonna pour in lime juice. So next we're gonna do some agave, which is gonna be this one right over here for you. Now we're gonna do the Govinda's lily koi juice. So it's gonna be 1.5 ounces of tequila. And then just strain it right on. And it doesn't matter if you get a little bit of the strawberry in there, it adds that nice color to it.
Oh,
very
nice.
Perfect. That's that. And now we add the garnish, which is going to be a sliced orange with a lihimoy powder.
That is wonderful.
So good. Good job, ladies.
Great job.
Great job.
Yes. Yeah. I think what would go great with this is a seafood platter from our raw bar. Hide is waiting for us. Let's go.
Let's go.
My name is Hide Sakurai, Japanese sword, Hide Samurai. Just kidding.
Hide Samurai.
Hide Samurai. Anyway, Hide Sakurai, okay? So today we have a local ahi. You know, we do have a Pier 38, so every morning, bunch of fish. And we're buying those bunch of fish and cut it out. And then sous chef Chris is preparing a lot of sashimi today. And let me show you how to cut the sashimi. There we go, nice seafood platter. So let's go out to look at the view. Oh, beautiful blue ocean. Look at that.
It's a great day today.
All right. All right, this is, if I'm not mistaken, red beets puree and also lily koi butter sauce. All right, and then garlic shrimp with a honey lemon risotto.
Honey lemon risotto on the garlic shrimp. I love it. Local experience, out of town guests, we're open to everybody.
All right.
Doesn't get much better than this, does it?
Yep, that's what we do.
I think the only thing that might make this better is the sunset that's coming up.
There we go, that's the point. It's
Yeah.
gonna be beautiful, amazing sunset. I think so tonight.
I think
Yeah.
so. Everything smells delicious.
All
Let's
right.
eat.
All right, eat.